Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying where text-to-speech runs and why you need it off. On your device, open Accessibility or Speech Settings. This stops system-level synthesis. Once done, disable any global speak selection or voice over toggles so apps inherit the change. If you're on a managed device, make sure you have admin access, otherwise request permission. This prevents apps from restarting TTS automatically. Don't skip backing up custom voices if you might restore them later. Next, go into individual apps and stop their speech features. Look for read aloud, narration, or accessibility sections and toggle speech off. In browsers, open extensions and remove any read aloud add-ons, check experimental flags for built-in voice features, and set them to default. Once completed, close and reopen the apps and browser so they load without TTS. This clears cached voice sessions and ensures the change sticks across tabs and documents. Finally, verify by opening a document, web page, and messaging app to confirm nothing speaks. If speech continues, reboot the device to stop lingering services. Make sure you also check connected accessories. Some assistive devices can re-enable speech. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings to defaults or remove and reinstall the offending app. This often clears corrupted preferences. One troubleshooting tip: when nothing else works, create a test account. If TTS is off there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.